Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the screw securing the side cover and lift the cover off the system. Identify the solid-state drive and loosen the screw. Lift the drive out of the system and flip it over. Unlatch the drive from the assembly to remove it. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, relatch it to the assembly and flip it over. Place the drive back in the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Place the side cover back on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.